Thank you. So for those who don't know us, Kimoto is a Japanese company. So we are actually, were founded in 1952 in Japan. At the time, we were actually doing aerial photography and mapping, and that somehow led us to polyester film. And this is the main thing we do today. So we are actually a coating company. So we are coating flexible films with different solutions. You can see the overview here. So we are listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. We have the R&D center is mainly focused in Japan, and we have 3 manufacturing locations. The core technologies of the products we manufacture ourselves and sell under our own brand name are light management. So this is light diffusion, light absorption, light reflection. So this is mainly used in the display industry, for any kind of displays in the lighting industry. And in the printed electronic space, we are used in human machine interface where something needs to be backlit or shown. Then also hard coatings for surface coatings on displays, membrane switches, very classical things, but also leveling agent for like printed electronics. If you need a very thin layer and you want to have a very flat surface, we can also do coatings like that. Adhesives, we have mainly focused on removable adhesives. So this could be in this kind of space for any kind of flexible substrate that needs a carrier film in a process. And then the last one is electric conductive layers. We do a large, let's say, coatings of P-dot directly on film, mainly polyester. So today I want to talk a little bit more about how we produce our flexible films instead of going into the technology of one specific product like I used to in the past. So we have in Japan, we have 2 locations with total 7 coating lines. And then we also have 1 sandblasting line. This was one of the first technologies we used. So we used to shoot sand on a film to create a rough surface to increase the surface structure. And interestingly, this technology is actually picking up again because some customers are looking for non-chemical treated film. So this is a quite interesting development. In the USA, in Cedartown, Georgia, we are actually operating 2 coating lines, and this is something I want to talk about today specifically. So we are located in Polk Country, so that's about 90 minutes, let's say 90 minutes from Atlanta. We are operating a white coating line with a width of 1,500 millimeter that has total 3 coating heads. So it's very flexible. It can do quite complex structures. And in 2018, we inaugurated our LC3 line, which is a compact coating line with 800 millimeter width and just 1 coating head. So this is actually ideal for development projects and allows us, because the line is shorter, to do like a coating with less material needed, so less fluid, less material in terms of base film. So we are open for custom or contract coating and co-development. So if there are projects for specific coatings and you need a partner to actually bring that or scale that product up, so we could be your partner located here in the US. If we compare the 2 coating lines, we have the line 2, which is the wide line. With the 3 coating heads, we can totally get 5 layers in 1 pass on the film. Usually we go in reality, due to speed, we go usually up to 3 coating layers in 1 pass. On the LC3, the compact coating line, we have 1 head. So we only do 1 layer and can add a lamination layer on top. This is, of course, very useful in case of sensitive surfaces or adhesives. Here is a look inside. This is actually the unwinding station where we can actually load 2 full rolls of material. So we can auto change. So we can seamlessly splice film, so we can continuously coat larger rolls, which is quite interesting. This is a clean room coating facility. So at the coating head, we have class 1000, in the dryer class 100. And this also shows you that we are specialized, and traditionally we're coming from the display industry. So high optical